Hello aspirants, I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from Inkara IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about the 20th November current affairs. The topic is prison tag, uh, which is taken from the Delhi edition. This topic comes under the GS2, government policies and interventions for development in various sectors, and also there is a issues arising out of their design and implementation. What is the context? That is, present occupancies in Indian prisons have reached 131.4 percentage of the official capacity till December 2022, due to which the necessity of the degradation, which is the necessity of the measures, has become crucial of the solution mentioned above. The one that has come out is the electronic tracking of prisons on parole, furlough, or bail. What is the prison tag? This concept outlined the Model Prison and Correctional Services Act 2023 with provisions in the undermentioned Supreme Court research report that is recommended an implementation of electronic anti-tamper trackers on under trial or parole suspects that to depopulate prison while still protecting the society. So it has generated controversies among the clients, that because of certain issues such as privacy and also lack of standard regulation and also the implementation. The proposal and its merits, that is the electronic tracking concept, is a good idea presented to the government by the Supreme Court Center for Research and Planning recommends that under trial prisoner considered low or moderate threat should be fitted with tracking and restraining devices upon release. Provision in legislation, as it is inevitable that Model Prisons and Correctional Services Act 2023 contains a clause that states the prisoners may be released on bond if they agree to be fitted with electronic tracking devices. The specification of this provisions is to control movement and activities of the paroles, which measures such as cancellation of leave on the event of one's bench. There is a Odisha's initiative that Odisha became the first state in India to propose the use of the tamper-proof electronic trackers not only for prisoners under trial for the heinous crime but for other crimes as well, as extending the use of the such technology to bails. What are the benefits around this electronic tracking? That recognition of the prison, the since low risk offenders can be monitored electronically after being released on parole, then the prison population may be greatly decreased. Cost effectiveness also there. The parliamentary standing committee has recommended use of electronic tracking system as it is a cheaper, as it relieves most of the workload on the administrative resources, and also there is a improved safety. That tracking makes certain that offenders out of the jail thus cannot come close to their victim or even crime scene to commit the crime again, thereby increasing safety of the public. That is a global precedent that most countries have embraced the use of the electronic tracking for some categories of offenders, and this should show how the possibility and efficiency of the methods. And there were the concern and challenges of that. There is a privacy concern. General tracking might negate and above the mentioned right to privacy to Apex Code back in the first half of this year made it clear that it is unconstitutional and grand condition that compel a person to share location through Google Map as a condition for requesting bail. Stigma and reluctance, there is a negative perception of being labeled a criminal may in fact deter prisoners from wearing devices that they easily notice. The problem could be solved with narrower, less trackers. That is a lack of guidelines. That the problem of lack of guidelines information regarding the use of tracking technology is the fact that it is used to likely to be abused or applied hazardly, thus infringing with the prison's rights. So what we conclude that way forward, that privacy, the security enhancing electronic tracking devices for low risk prisoners on parole, furlough, on bail is one of the best solutions to the congestion problem that India's prison system faces. It doesn't, if done wisely, it can be beneficial to the public safety for jail and prison management as a way to reduce the burden of administration and also give the solution for the overcrowded jails. But for the initiative to work, the following need to be achieved: privacy issues that concern the principle that would be help to prevent the misuse of that. So way forward that we must uh, small and unobstructive through innovation could also go a long way in fighting social prejudice to ensure longer acceptance. And also there is a privacy that people haven't have is enforceable, but total dismissal of tracking uh, technology would deny the technology its positive worth. The measure could really turn into the sensible and also the participatory change in the criminal justice system. If it is going to be implemented, it is a balanced and right respecting manner. So the present tag is a good thing to implement in our jails. Thank you so much.